Hi dear friends, it's Christa Clark with artisticvegan.com. Welcome back to another cooking show where today we are going to be making cookies. I asked if you guys wanted cookies or burritos this week. I know they're kind of different spectrums, but I wasn't sure, and it was 50-50, so you weren't either. So I made the choice and I went for cookies. This is a delicious recipe that you can use as a base and make as many different flavors as you want, kind of a crazy cookie dough, if you will. This idea was inspired, shout out to Gemma Strafford with Bigger Bolder Baking. She did a crazy cookie dough on her recipe on her channel, and so I've taken my own recipe and I've made it gluten-free and vegan, one of my favorite cookie dough recipes, and then you just add in your favorite toppings. For the ingredients, you're gonna want some flour of choice. I'm going with oat flour today, but you could use your favorite. Then I've got some salt, baking powder, coconut sugar. Then you'll also want a vegan egg, mine is flax-based, as well as some peanut butter and coconut oil base, mine's CBD, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to, but it is nice. And then I've also got different toppings, and then you want vanilla. So that's everything that you're gonna need. Let's go ahead and make the cookies. So to get started, you're gonna want to cream your oil or vegan butter and sugar. So I've got my coconut sugar here. I'm just gonna plop that in there. And then you wanna add the nut butter and either the vegan butter or the coconut oil, or in my case, CBD. You want to whisk the oil and the sugar together until it's nice and creamy. There, that looks lovely. Then you want to add your vegan egg substitute as well as vanilla. Mix that together. Then you want to mix together your dry ingredients, oat flour, salt, and baking soda. Add your dry ingredients to your wet, fold them in till they're well combined, and that's it. I have the delicious cookie dough, and the oven's preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. And now you just take a quarter cup of the cookie dough, mix in your favorite ingredients, and do this 6 times until you're done. Put them in the oven, bake them for 10 to 12 minutes, and then let them cool on the rack for a couple minutes, and then you can transfer to a cooling rack and proceed to dig in and enjoy. So let's do it. A quarter cup of the cookie dough. And you add your favorite ingredients. So for this first kind, I'll do my husband's favorite, which is oatmeal raisin. So you want about a teaspoon of oats, a teaspoon of raisins, and if you like extra raisins like he does, why not go for 2? Then you'll also want to add a little bit of cinnamon. Take a couple spoons or your fingers, and you just want to mix it all together until it creates a nice cookie. Oatmeal raisin cookie. Transfer it to your cookie tray. Here's our first beautiful cookie. This one, I'm gonna do a holiday version. A teaspoon of oats, a couple small teaspoons of the cranberries. I'm gonna add cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, and ginger. There's the pumpkin cranberry spice. Cookie number 2. This one, we're gonna do chocolate chip, a couple teaspoons of the chocolate, and bless each cookie with love, the yummy chocolate chip. I like to put a few extra on top. We have chocolate chip, our cranberry, and our oatmeal raisin. Let's get those into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. This cookie, we're gonna do a lemon zest, a teaspoon of coconut. We're gonna put jam in the center. So I'm gonna do 1 with peanut butter caramel in the center. Maybe a little bit of oats. We'll just add 1 teaspoon of the raisins. That'll be our base, and then we're gonna fill it with peanut butter caramel. We're gonna do a Christa cookie. Couple teaspoons of the chocolate chips. About a teaspoon of cacao powder. There's our double chocolate cookie. I'm actually gonna fill it with peanut butter. Some of that delicious salted caramel that we made. I'm just gonna make a little thumb dent and fill it with my peanut butter caramel. So now I've got a double chocolate cookie with peanut butter caramel on the inside. Over here, I've got my bit of oats and a little bit of raisin just to make it more interesting as you bite into it. And then we're gonna put the same peanut butter caramel on the inside of that. We have a cookie with lemon zest and coconut. Then I have homemade raspberry jam. made it to the end of the show and we have all these delicious cookies to choose from. And that's pretty exciting if you ask me. So you can make it into any flavor that you want. That's the beauty of this recipe. And you can get that recipe over at artisticvegan.com. If you liked this video and this concept, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you know when I come out with a new video. Now I'm gonna give a cookie a taste. I really want them all. They all look really good. This is a hard choice. I think I'm gonna try the lemon and toasted coconut. Look at that. I've got to go share with Gerald. This may be a new favorite kind of cookie. The lemon zest with a little bit of the coconut in there, and then the jam. My Lord, what a good cookie. I'm gonna share this with my husband and we're gonna have lunch. Well, we're probably gonna eat more. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, bye-bye. Start over again, that was terrible. Kitchen, where today we are gonna be You have a bee inspecting the host. I think it's my top. Or my hair. Hello. All right, so we have a bee this morning and a praying mantis and the cat. It's a full house in the outdoor kitchen. Coconut, some oats, some peanut. Oh, we forgot the molasses. And then for the last cookie of the season, or no, wait, and then for the last cookie of this show,